From KETV investigates after living with loud noise from the interstate in her backyard for more than a decade. An Iowa woman reached out to KETV for help.
She wants a noise wall to be built, but Iowa DOT says the costs don't add up.
KETV Newswatch 7's Samantha Pastorino investigates.
The worst days, if it's really loud, we would be yelling at back and forth.
Council Bluffs resident Clarion Campbell lives here. Looking out from her backyard, you see some trees, but not far past them is the interstate. Campbell bought this home in 2015.
When we first come to look at the house, the interstate was really loud at that time.
Then Iowa's interstate expansion project happened, which took the highway from 5 to 13 total lanes.
Something has to change.
Because of the expansion, Iowa DOT engineer Austin Yates says experts conducted a noise study.
There were 2 noise walls were analyzed for the area of the Grove. It's because we got closer to 2 houses.
Yates says noise studies and mitigation evaluate many factors, but overall,
the federal government has a noise policy, and then every state has the option to customize it.
The 20-page study of Campbell's neighborhood was completed in 2008.
What we consider a noise impact is going to be 66 decibels. So a little bit louder than somebody talking to you for a whole hour.
And Campbell's house?
They measured it at 68 decibels.
Which is deemed an impact. Yates says in order for DOTs to construct a noise wall, the total cost of that wall gets divided by everyone who benefits, and that final number must be below a maximum reasonable cost. That cost is set by the state.
A reasonable cost per benefited residence was $35,000 in 2008.
Even though it's loud outside Campbell's home, these 2 walls would have cost more than allowed by the state.
Like them to come sit here and try to go to sleep with all that noise then, because there's a bedroom right here, and when it's really loud, it's hard to sleep in that room.
Today, cost per person who benefits is $79,000, but Yates says it's federal rule that noise studies are only done as part of construction, not due to resident impact alone, meaning Yates' hands are tied.
I'm not expecting everybody to agree with the outcome. I just want everybody to understand where the outcome came from.
Campbell just wants peace and quiet for her recent retiree lifestyle.
My family was here for Thanksgiving, and they were out on the back deck, and they came back inside and said, "Mom, it's just way too loud out there."
Reporting in Iowa, Samantha Pastorino, KETV Newswatch 7.